Hey, all you gorgeous creatures, guess what? I'm on a cruise and I got tips for you if you're over 50 and you're thinking about traveling solo. It's a great way to meet new friends. I'm going to talk to you about two key things you should do before you choose that cruise and making sure that it's the right one for you and you can maximize your goal to meet and have fun with new friends. So two key areas. First of all, you want to find the right cruise. That includes the right ship. And then some tips of what to do once you're on board. Before you even pick something or look through the catalog or speak to a travel agent, finding the right ship is really important. Let's talk about the size of the ship first. The big mega ships are a lot of fun. A lot to do on them. There's rides, there's more entertainment. After years of cruising, I have come to really value and appreciate a smaller ship. Like this one. This one I think has 2,100 passengers on it. And especially if you're a seasoned traveler, the smaller ships are much more fun to navigate or easier to navigate, especially if you have any physical limitations. Plus, it's a little bit cozier. What I mean by that is people are more in the mood to engage, bump into the same people here and there, and that's good. That's how you start to build friendships and a connection. And that's what you want. I would definitely choose a smaller ship. Smaller meaning 2,500 passengers or less. Also, you want to avoid holiday periods or periods where there's going to be more of a chance of families cruising. Families usually mean like lots of children. The thing is, when you travel with children, I know you're engaged with your children. You're busy conversing with them, making sure they're having a good time, taking care of them. You're not really there, or you have less time to engage with other, adults, because you're there to enjoy your time with them. Does that make sense? When does that happen? It's normally over the summer because kids are out of school, or long holiday periods like Thanksgiving or spring break. There's definitely, you do not want to go. You do not want to go during those times unless you are with a family, all right? Because that, to me, that actually feels a little bit more lonely because you're not and they are. Avoid the busy periods. The good news is you can get a better rate. You can get a better rate on the off periods. Like right now, this is November, and it's definitely off period. In fact, I bet you there might be 3 or 4 kids on this entire cruise. Avoiding the family periods and holiday periods is also length of cruise is important. Now, this is the first time for me. It was a big chance that I took what they call a Journeys cruise. It's 14 days. And I talk about slow travel. Well, if you are looking for solo men, I find there are hardly any men traveling alone on this cruise on the longer periods. I don't know what it is or why. I don't know if it's just part of our aging process, but you won't find much of that. Lots of women traveling solo, tons and tons. I've met so many new friends. You're telling me on my 6th day. I figure by the end of the cruise, I should know everyone. If that is your goal of conversing or meeting or socializing with more solo men, consider the shorter cruises. And by shorter, 7 days or less. Once you're on board, and this is true for any cruise line, there's normally a choice of dining times or a time to dine. My recommendation is not to choose any type of freestyle dining. In other words, where you can go at any time. No, pick a time, and then when you get on board, go to the maitre d' and ask to be seated at a large table. Yeah, like 10, at least 10, 8 to 10 people there, because that is going to be some of the best times ever on a cruise. Honestly, I enjoy dining. It's the engagement, it's social, it's, you get served. It's not the buffet. I don't do the buffet unless I'm just doing a quick breakfast or something. Honestly, the dining is a really wonderful part. So make sure you choose to be seated with a group. Number two is to make sure also every day they have lots of activities going on. Oh, and some of them might be a little bit silly, but go ahead. This is your chance. One activity that's fabulous is they always have some sort of trivia or something or other. Now that's engagement. People have to talk, they have to think. That's that's definitely where you want to go, and especially like if you suck, if you suck at trivia. I do. I like always blank out at the last minute or something, but that's all right. Same thing like the dance classes or the fun dance things and stuff. Get right in there. I don't care if you're walking with a cane or a walker or you have two left feet. You want to know how to make a friend real fast? Is to embrace your imperfections, because people see that and you make them feel really good about theirs. Because, we're all imperfect. Do or take as many ship sponsored excursions, right? Like there's a beach thing or dune bugging or a tour or shopping tour, whatever. With any ship excursion, what happens is that it's an automatic group, automatic friendship. So you sign up and you get on some shore excursions. Now here's my personal where I like, it's amazing like the number of people that I meet, and have a cocktail before and after dinner and sit at the bar. You don't have to drink alcohol to enjoy a cocktail. There's lots of wonderful virgin drinks, all right? Even if soda is great. You sit there and you ask them to put a cherry in it. You do not want to sit at one of those little tables away from the bar. No. A bar is meant for socialization. And it might be tough because maybe you're not used to it. Now, you have to get strong, and you have to practice being your own best person and have everybody fall in love with you. And they will too. So mosey on up to the bar, like what do they call, belly on up to the bar. Even if there isn't a seat, you just go in there and squeeze yourself in there. Pretty soon, someone will take pity on you. And if not, that's all right, because that's where you want to be. And even if you are a listening participant, you are still engaged and active in it. It'll all come natural, you'll see. So I actually take that opportunity as often as possible. I'm serious. I'm always there, especially before dinner, after dinner, before a show, after a show. All right, don't go hide yourself off at one of those little tables or waiter come on you. No. If anything, boy, I've made friends with some amazing bartenders. Oh, looking up from your phone. It's really easy to hide behind your phone. You got to look up to meet and to engage and to have a nice time. I'm serious. Now, I get alone time. I get it a lot. But not while you're walking around or at the pool area or hiding behind a book. The time to read a book is in your room or in a corner of the ship someplace, not at a pool. Okay? I know you might need a crutch. Go get that non-alcoholic or alcoholic cocktail. Go sit at the edge there and just tap your little feet in and look at people and smile. Okay? That's your calling card. All right, so I'm going to be wear happiness. Yeah. My last tip about wearing happiness. I know it's hard to be or exude that when you feel like crap, when the world has not been so good to you. You've lost love not once, twice, in some cases 3 times. But, hummingbirds have to feed every day. You know what they are attracted to? That red feeder? You know why they paint it red? Yeah, because hummingbirds love red. People love happiness. And when they don't have it, they seek it and they are drawn to it. Be the magnet. Be the smile. Wear red lipstick. Okay, guys, don't wear red lips. Get that loud shirt. Hey, you men, get that really loud shirt. It is a wonderful conversation starter. Ladies, go ahead, get that yellow, flowery top. The movie star sunglasses, yeah. Get something, wear it. It's a love magnet. I'm going to end with a story about how sometimes you think you're looking for something, but that something really has morphed into something else. And you didn't even know it was there because it was the journey to get there. As we age and we've experienced things in our life, and especially love, what I thought was important in a partner years ago, boy, was I so wrong. Even just like 10 years ago that I thought was important, now it's completely different. Have you ever seen the movie Under the Tuscan Sun? If you haven't, you should pick it up or just look on YouTube or something. And it was about this woman who was, she thought she had a great marriage, and I guess her husband cheated. Was devastated. I think she sold everything and she decided to buy this old villa in Tuscany. I guess it was a metaphor of like building a new life. So she hired all the local guys and workers to help her restore her villa, restore her life. And they were there. And she paid them, but they became like family. She started taking care of them. She cooked for them. She did everything while they helped rebuild her life. And at the end of the movie, she stood back and she saw the love and relationships she helped build. But the biggest one was rebuilding her heart, as she realized that love takes on many forms, and it's not just about romance. And here she was, and she had all this new love in her life. That's a great message, isn't it? Think about it. You don't know what's out there. Just spread that love around a little bit, because it's a new day. It's a new chance for everything. Look, here's St. Martin. Wish you were here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Even more, a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope you've subscribed to my channel. All right, enjoy your day.